Alright, just hooked up little ignition switch and fuel pump switch and starter mode, I think, is old ignition barrels here. This one doesn't actually fit on the column. It was actually one from the other car. Other one's over in that pile of shit over there. So here we go. So that's the fuel pump. There's the ignition, so the ignition's on. Fuel pump. Hear that carefully, and then yep. Of course, engine's cold. Yep. There's probably a leak in the carby, but yeah. Alright, there we go. Little starter ignition switch on a on a Honda City Pro T.